This is a follow-up video from the short pattern that I made. This is our pattern. I found this like really beautiful brown fabric, and it was actually on sale. It was on the clearance rack. I was like, this would make a really good pair of shorts. So let's lay out our fabric and get to it. So this is how I have put the fabric. This is the right side and right side facing. On this side it's the wrong side. I have made sure the pattern fits almost exactly to minimize any kind of wastage. So I can remove this and mark my wrong side. Sometimes it's really hard to tell with some fabrics. This one is not really one of them, but just to be safe. So I'll just put a mark so that I know. We added more width to the back side to accommodate the butt. So I have to rearrange the fabric. I have these clips. I got these from China Square that fit my table, so I can just hook that and I'm good to go. I got this really cool tape measure. Like, how cool is this? It stops when you want to put it back. So cool. And you have a strap, you can wear it around your neck. I love it so much. We now have our back parts, and as usual we're going to mark the wrong side. For this pair of shorts, I actually want them to have a lining. This is one of those cotton linings, so I'm going to cut it. I could not find a color that was even close to the shorts, so I went with black. No one is gonna see this anyway, and since the lining needs to be shorter than the short, I'm going to take out around 1.5 inch at the bottom to make sure that the lining is not showing at the bottom of the short, and cut this part out both for the front and the back.
Some disturbing emotion to make our brains worse. Because the
1.5 inch,
is a record of the past.
then 1 inch, just like that. We have our pleat. This is the front pattern. This is what we have so far. I have stitched together the back pieces and also put in the dart. The dart was 4.5 inches down. I don't know if I remember to say that in the pattern drafting video, but yes, It was 4 inches deep, 1 inch wide. This is the front. Of course, I've not joined the center because that's where our zipper will be going. And remember, I've already done this same thing on the lining pieces. So it's pretty much like you're making 2 shorts. Here are our 2 pieces together, the front and the back. All I need to do is join the middle. And honestly, after this, you're pretty much done. All you need to do is do the hemming and add a waistband and the zipper. I forgot to cut out the fly, so that's what I'm doing here. It's about 2 inches wide, and for the length I'm just going to measure it against the front pattern, see what fits, and cut that. It's time to cut the waistband. I'm going to cut at 4 inches because once I fold it, that's 2 inches. Once I take half an inch seam allowance from the front and from the back, then I will have a 1.5 inch waistband, just like I intended. I'm also going to use white gum material to attach to the waist and make it stiffer and firmer. We are towards the end of the video. If you have any questions, please do let me know in the comment section below. I hope I was as detailed as possible. And please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. This is what the short came out as. I absolutely love it. I love the shape, the A-line kind of shape. Yeah, let me know if you try it. Bye.